Hello kids, in today's video we are drawing different fruits. So you can see this is the bunch of grapes, and here you can see an apple, right side, a banana, and here an orange, and this one is strawberry. So we are drawing these fruits today. So first of all, we have a beautiful grapes bunch. You can see there are some ripened, some of the green grapes. So we will draw this in this video. You can see the outline here. So let me just start the drawing by making the outlines. So let's draw an apple. A is for apple. This is the outline of apple. And now we will draw the strawberry. Strawberry is red in color. And now we are drawing grapes. Beautiful bunch, a cluster of grapes here. And let's start drawing. I like to have drawing, and also I like to drink the juice of grapes. So these are the leaves of the grapes. And now we will draw the grapes. Wow, you can see this is a bit small size. G for grapes. The grapes are in different colors. You can see there are green color and some reddish color grapes, and these are a bit darker colors, and these are light greens. So at one time you will notice different type of grapes. Have you ever visited the grapes garden, which we call orchard? So we are drawing grapes. Let it be done quickly, so without wasting time, speeding up the video.
G for grapes. So we have just done this.
And now here we see banana. So let's draw banana, keeping it here on its position. Oh, cute grapes. We are drawing banana. Super easy. 3 bananas. Here, and this is black color. So we have drawn bananas, and now orange. Small size orange. Red color apple. So we will also color the grapes in the end, but right now we are coloring apples. So apple is red in color. So this is watercolor. Apple, A for apple. Strawberries are so delicious and tasty. Green color. So this is green color. Light green color first. Light green. This one is light green. Here I will choose this one. Beautiful sounds of the birds. You are listening. They are so happy. Green color. So these are grapes. And now we will draw some other colors, that is dark red, and even some of them should be light red. G for grapes. So these are different color grapes. Let us try again. We are trying grapes in different colors. And now we will use another color, that is dark color. So some of the grapes we have drawn, and now I want to draw dark green color grapes using these watercolors. The remaining grapes should be in red color. Red. Some green color. Wow, this is looking so beautiful. Let us color this green. So we have drawn a beautiful bunch of grapes. And now we will color sorry, the leaves. So this is green color. Wow, so beautiful. I hope you like it. So this is banana. Some people color it brown. So this is banana. The last one is orange. So orange has green leaves. So this is orange color. Wow, this is so beautiful. We have drawn different fruits in this video and I hope you will like them. They are super easy to draw. You practice little bit so you can draw. So we have drawn apple, strawberry, grapes, banana and orange. And this is also a cluster of grape. So G for grapes. They are so fresh. I hope you like all these things. If you like, subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.